So today is the day 6th of CBI teams in Mumbai who are here to investigate Sushant Singh Rajput case. Now what is happening? So it's early in the morning and like every day CBI teams of course which are putting up here at DRDO guest house, they have started calling the people who are associated with the case, specifically the ones who were present in the house with Sushant Singh Rajput on that fateful day. The day started with Siddharth Pithani being brought to DRDO guest house where CBI teams are putting up. Now Siddharth Pithani, who is Siddharth Pithani? Siddharth Pithani is Sushant's friend and his flatmate, a person who was also looking after some of Sushant's professional work, who was close to Rhea Chakravarti, who was close to Sushant Singh Rajput, and he was present in the house on that fateful day. Now he was one of the first respondents also. He was one of the first persons to realize that Sushant was not responding to knockings on the door, the calls, and other ways of via which Sushant was approached. So today is actually the 5th day when Siddharth Pithani is brought here and is being questioned. And in fact, yesterday also he was questioned for more than 12 hours. He was here only till late night and was being questioned. Apart from that, Neeraj, Sushant's house help, he is also here. He has been brought by CBI teams to DRDO guest house, and this is the 6th day when Neeraj is being questioned by CBI here. And who is Neeraj? Neeraj is Sushant's house help. He was also present in the house on the fateful day. Now talking about why these people are questioned again and again. CBI is saying that there are certain inconsistencies in their statements, and that's why these people are called again and again to see why exactly those inconsistencies are there. Now, any investigating agency, while dealing with these kind of inconsistencies, how they deal with it, there are different tricks, different techniques to deal with it. Different agencies deal with it in a different way. One way is to first individually question the witnesses to see what are the inconsistencies. Are they, can they be ignored? Are they important enough to not to be ignored? A list is made, and then all the witnesses are first individually questioned. Then they are confronted with each other specifically about the inconsistencies. Then they are also taken to the scene of incident to see that the inconsistencies are not there just in their verbal statement, but at the scene also there are, while defining the scene of the incident, the inconsistencies remain the same. This is exactly what's happening in this case as well. On two occasions, Neeraj and Siddharth Pithani both are taken to Sushant Singh Rajput's house, the place where the incident happened. And till now, CBI is not satisfied, doesn't look like it is. That's why Neeraj is being questioned on the 6th day and Siddharth Pithani on the 5th day. In Mumbai with camera person Nitesh Turve, this is Santya for Mirror Now.